This is how you can catch every slug in your garden. This simple trick helps attract slugs effectively and reduce their presence around garden beds, flowers, and vegetables. Thanks to this, they won't damage leaves and young plants so easily anymore. It's an old gardening trick that many people use, especially after rain when slugs appear in the largest numbers. Prepare a shallow metal bowl. Its surface holds the scent of the mixture well and makes it easier for slugs to crawl inside. The first ingredient is apple juice, whose sweet and intense smell strongly attracts slugs. Cut off a small piece of cardboard and pour the juice into the bowl so the scent spreads through the garden even more easily. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, which strengthens the aroma of the mixture and makes it even more attractive to slugs. The next ingredient is salt. Add 1 generous tablespoon. Salt helps reduce the presence of slugs effectively and acts as a strong irritant to them. Mix everything very thoroughly so all the ingredients combine well. Place the finished bowl next to garden beds, vegetables, or areas where slugs appear most often. It's best to place it out in the evening because that's when slugs are most active. After a short time, you'll notice that the mixture effectively attracts slugs and helps reduce their presence in the garden. In the morning, just check the bowl, and, if needed, prepare a fresh mixture again. This is one of the most effective homemade ways to deal with slugs in the garden. With this trick, you can protect lettuce, strawberries, and other plants without using chemicals. Prepare a bowl and pour in 200 milliliters of water to create the base of the mixture. The next ingredient is honey. Add 1 generous tablespoon because its sweet scent attracts slugs very effectively. The next ingredient is yeast, which releases a strong aroma during fermentation that slugs find irresistible. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast to the bowl. Now it's time for apple cider vinegar, whose distinctive smell makes the trap even more effective. Add 1 tablespoon. The last ingredient is a banana, preferably very ripe, because it gives off a strong, sweet aroma. Cut it into smaller pieces and add it to the bowl. Mix everything thoroughly. Now prepare an empty container with a lid, for example, an ice cream box. Make several rectangular holes on the sides, large enough for the slugs to crawl inside. Place the finished trap in the garden where slugs appear most often, for example near cabbage, lettuce, or strawberries. Then pour the prepared mixture inside and close the lid. Slugs are attracted to the smell of fermenting yeast and ripe banana, so they quickly crawl into the trap. It's a simple, natural, and effective way to reduce slugs in the garden without using chemicals. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to keep snails away. If you have snails in your garden eating everything you grow, try this trick. Pour instant coffee into a bowl. The caffeine in coffee is toxic to snails. It also has a strong smell and slightly acidic pH, making it an unfriendly environment for these pests. Importantly, it's safe for plants. Transfer the coffee to a tall container. Add about 1 cup of warm water and stir until the coffee dissolves completely. Now take a garden sprayer. Unscrew the cap and pour the prepared coffee solution inside. Then dilute the mixture with about 1.5 gallons of clean water. Close the sprayer tightly. Use this spray on plants vulnerable to snails, especially vegetables, lettuce, or herbs. That's where pests usually appear. Snails will disappear within a few hours. This spray irritates and repels them. A completely natural way to take back control of your garden. Place it in the garden, and you'll catch all the slugs in one night. If you have slugs in your garden that are eating everything growing there, try this trick. I struggled with slugs in my garden for several years, but after trying this trick, they disappeared immediately, in one night. Performing this trick will only take you a few minutes, so you must try it to see how brilliant it is. First, prepare a small drink bottle, a marker, and a utility knife. Now do exactly what I do. Cut off the top of the small bottle as we won't need it. Draw 3 cut marks on the bottle and cut along them with the utility knife. Don't make the cuts too big. Only slugs without shells should be able to enter the trap through them. Bend the cut parts of the bottle upwards. This is a very important step to ensure everything works as it should. Now take a second larger bottle and cut off its top. We will need it later, Pour some beer into the small bottle. Slugs love the smell, so they will definitely get caught in the trap. It is important to bend the bottle parts the same way I did so that the beer smell can escape. Now, just cover our small bottle with the secret ingredient using the top of the larger bottle. Try it yourself, and you won't regret it. Slugs will stay far away. All you need is what's already in your kitchen. You'll get rid of them for good. Everyone knows how stubborn slugs can be, especially in gardens full of seedlings and flowers. Here's a simple way to make them disappear. Grab a few chili peppers. The hotter, the better. Chili contains capsaicin, which irritates slugs. Blend the peppers into a fine powder. Pour half a liter of water into a tall container and add the ground chili. Now for the garlic, a natural antibiotic and antifungal. Its smell repels slugs. Add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Also add a tablespoon of dried mint. Mint acts as a natural repellent with a strong scent that confuses slugs. Stir everything well and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then strain the mixture and pour it into a tall jar. Add 1 liter of water to dilute the concentrate. Your homemade slug spray is ready. Spray the areas where slugs usually show up. They'll leave your garden in a flash and won't come back anytime soon. It's natural, effective, and completely safe for your plants. A natural slug-repelling mix. A trick passed on to me by an old gardener. You can also use it as an eco-friendly fertilizer. I've been using it regularly since last season, and I have to say, the results are amazing. Slugs, especially the shellless ones, can do serious damage by chewing through leaves, stems, roots, and even flowers. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. The strong aroma keeps slugs away, and the caffeine it contains can actually affect their nervous system, making them avoid the area. Then add 3 tablespoons of sawdust. Its rough, uneven texture irritates the soft bodies of slugs and soaks up moisture from the soil, creating an environment they hate. Next, add 3 tablespoons of wood ash. It also dries out the soil surface and makes it even harder for slugs to move. Plus, it's rich in potassium and calcium, which naturally enrich the soil. Finally, crush 1 eggshell and add it to the mix. The sharp pieces act as a barrier and also release calcium into the soil, improving its structure and nourishing your plants. Stir everything thoroughly and sprinkle a thin layer around your garden beds. There's no need to overdo it. Just mark a clear line that slugs won't want to cross. This natural method is cheap, effective, and completely safe for your garden.